Part 3, we remove the disc, put the new disc in, security retain bolt pads. We undo the electric motor on the back of the caliper. We turn it clockwise. It is Torx. Wind it clockwise inside. Push the pistons back. And don't forget, remove some of the brake fluid from your reservoir, because when you push the piston back, the hole gonna come up and destroy the paint. And don't forget, when you finish, you press the pedal till the pistons engage your pads. Just pump the brakes before you drive it. So more or less we finish here. We clean the brake pipes and we put some copper grease on it so it doesn't get rusty. That's it. So just put this electric motor back. That's just for parking brake. Wind it in. That's it. Don't forget this rattle clip. When you want to put them, this little rubber one goes on the top. Fit on the top. On the back it's got the rubber one, and this one goes on the bottom. And then we want to put the caliper back and put the wheel back. So that's the end. Thank you for watching. Bye.